Okay, so we're heading to New Haven Jetty right now. We're gonna try fishing, but I have no idea. Laura, do you know how to fish?
Very late. Let's just go.
Okay, so she's, yeah, we just need to go. So it's a glorious day, 28th of December, and me and the boys just decided to go out and go fishing. I'm a newbie, I have no idea, but I was excited. So yeah, also, I was running late, so yeah. I've been living down on my knees. Flick. Top spin or ano, chop?
Sa wrist lang yan, boss.
Top spin or chop?
Sa wrist lang yan, boss.
Medyo kalawak na si boss.
Delikado.
Kumusta, boss? Kumusta yung ano, yung fish?
Natututo nga ako sa kanya.
Ano yung fingers?
Bale yung scientific name ng may hinuhuli natin. Bato mo. Ginagawa ko ano? Bale, inaangat ko tapos bago ko ibato.
Aha.
So, hindi naman ako mamalayo, dyan lang. So, para bumabasa.
Okay.
Tapos saka mo siya ibabalik.
Ah. Okay. Tapos gamitin mo yung force.
Ay, putang ina. Hindi pa yan gano'n. Shit.
Na-unlock. Maubos sila. Mahulog yan lahat. Ikutin mo. Ay!
Ay, gano'n talaga.
Ay!
Ganun, may nahuli ka, no? Natatakot ako. Baka magbiglang may pumunot sa akin eh.
Time to pass, write me letters to sign them within I love you, promise you won't change. I'll head out and buy a ring. Hey, do you like my handcuffs, darling? I'll throw the key away.
Yan, boss. Kaya mo yan.
Boss. Medyo naka-angle mo nga.
I'm a prisoner of your love. And even if I had wings, I'd never even try to fly from your love. Say you can't visit often. When the sky outside these bars is all gray.
Anong masasabi mo sa tide, boss?
Bale yung hit ng hangin, ano eh.
Kasi mas gusto ko kasi yung surf kumpara sa tide. Yung Ariel, ano.
Panglaba pala,
oh.
Ariel.
Naka-gloves naman ako eh. Handa kasi ako, boss.
So, kumusta yung ano mo, boss?
Experience. Yung post, ano.
Maalon, boss.
Maalon.
Oh.
According to my app. Ano na.
Si Whitey, si Blacky.
Next time sa boat daw tayo.
Oo, pwede. Tuna yung ano.
It's been a hard, long day.
Yeah.
Yeah. 30 frames per second. 12,800.
Ay, 4K.
Okay.
Ilagay ko daw sa trailer.
Tsaka ito pa.
And,
Boss, wala kayong masasabi kay Don? Wala.
piso. Walang pa kasama yan?
Si Don? Oo. Andito tayo lahat tapos wala si Don. Grabe ka. Grabe na tao.
Ano, Kel? Saan mo lalagay ito?
Kangaroos! Yeah. Tapos mag-fishing, mag-makas. Good morning guys, it's around 5 a.m. I just finished cleaning up the stuffs and transferring the files, and then also just finished cleaning up the fish. So yeah, gotta turn off the lights. There you go. Fix it up. Good morning guys, so I just finished cleaning up the fish. It's around 6 a.m. So yeah, I still have a pre-wedding shoot or a shoot later at around 3 p.m. and I need to pick up a bed base later. So it's gonna be a long day for me today, but either way, yeah, just finished cleaning up the fish. Yeah, nice fishing with you guys. Gotta go to sleep now. Yeah.